50 5 minutes. Oh, yo.
Yo, what's up, what's up, what's up? You know what it is. This is your boy LBK Rustani Africa. We are back with another bang. Yo, it's been a minute, you know. Then the kind of blind more recorder like since I feel like since was the 15. I feel like since the 15th of December, I think it was my last episode, yeah, 2024. So it's like it's that time again. I feel like I take a month away in this go shoot and this go to just go observe as soon as we there, but we're back at it. Go some more pushing so like I think like 4 days ago I just hit 500 subscribers. So is that goal now? So I feel like we can just push maybe maybe 700. Maybe rank is not good by the end of the month. I just wish you go on. I just wish uri ṱhaṅwe ri nga pushes over so I guess na zwithu topic nnzhi huna zwithu zwinzhi zwo iteaho many people zwo itea nkhumana mamkhize that side I don't understand zwine zwi khou itea kha big zone nga nkena nzani maybe I don't know if they are getting married or what but we just have to see uri hu khou itea mini yellow festival yo vha hone who else did some amazing things. Goose Bangafa is really doing some great things. His numbers on Spotify, they are really amazing. This is one like I was amazed by the boy. The boy is really living the dream, but na vhaṅwe vhathu vhane na vha khou shuma zwavhuḓi blind but vhaṅwe capable boys, like they're really na vha vhono reach 100 marks, 100 milestone hangei kha YouTube kha Spotify. So it's really something big kha entry yashu inoni ya Venreva Ngongwana. Even I'm talking Mizo. Even though we were expecting Mizo will be the first one, maybe to eventually even to reach 200, to reach 500, But sometimes, you just have to pave the way. Then vhaṅwe vhathu vha ḓo tevhela nga murahu hezwo zwithu zwine na vha no vha gudisa zwone, then vha kona u tshila ngazwo. So zwithu ndi zwinzhi. Makaveli o no vha, I guess, o no vha hepfhi mini, o no vha manager. I guess let's start there kha Makaveli and Daniel. So, and in fact, when it comes to that, Zwabla Babiline, I've got all the details because of even Yellow Festival. I was there, like I was observing everything. If you go pay artist you book you dana, like I was trying to observe there, even though I was not even part of the meaning of the content, like there to groove or what, or to take some content. No, down the door, there was some work that I was doing there. I was a security guard that side, so I was like, okay, let's just see Uruku and I mean NFL, but the event was successful. You can't say nothing bad, and we have to give the props to Unyi to be Makaveli for Uzita and Kwana Uzita for even though for wisdom Tunganyonga, Tribal Bozora, then one even things that is the metro of Nebo, and the boy poet and one that is the Zazinjas. Don't get me wrong. Mara, I guess even now, as never like for album release never could visa ne. I guess like just that the one is even sorry if they're trying to release an album or any money like specifically if you're ambori una capable for it as never could those eternal like capable for to manage him apeni is ngasokofelela ngori ene mune beru na tshelede yes if rare kunyaga studio time you will pay for it no so zwinzhi zwine zwa zwi there like u ḓo kona u vula dzi dosi dzine apeni the boy is talented, the boy got the whole marketing everything unacho, but there is certain things tshine tshavha tshi khou shota khae ngongwana huna zwithu zwine like because of I feel like he has reached the ceiling ngongwana because of authina zwiṅwe zwithu zwine ndi nga ri khezwo u khou zwi ita zwine he hasn't done it before ngongwana. So ndi ḓo vhona ungari at the uri Berry will u ḓo vha na zwithu zwine like u ḓo kona u mu manage nga nḓila ine a khou nyanga u manedzwa ngayo because of huna zwithu zwinzhi hune ri tshi khou ya kha u manager i nga si sokou a zwi fheleli hanefhaḽa ene muṋe u ḓo kona u mu vulela mavothi ayo ra vha ri khou mu vulela a khou nyanga u tea uri a vuleliwe because of the boy literally even now a thu vha na mini a thu vha na dzi digital platforms u ḓo vha na mini u ḓo vha na nthu fhedzi na YouTube fhedzi. So if Andiola sina dzi digital platforms hezwiḽani will Berry u ḓo vha ene muthu ane a ḓo kona u mu convince a mu itisa uri a vhe na hezwo zwithu zwi ḓo ḓivha zwezwiḽa zwine ra ḓo sokou release album ya ḓivha i khou fhela nga hanengei kha YouTube fhedzi, then nga hengei huṅwe ra vha ri khou balelwa u phusha because of hu na dzi nyimbo nnzhi dzine nga hengei dzi a deserve uri dzi vhe hone khou ṅwana. Like yo Millie Makhado i a deserve uri i vhe kha profile yawe yeḽo khou ṅwana. Hu na dzi nyimbo nnzhi vho Mzwala, hu na dzi nyimbo dzine dzi a deserve vho Artonga. Let's just imagine if Artong was there, how many streams ya i ḓo vha i nadzo nga hengei khou ṅwana. Maybe ra ḓo ri khou amba maybe yo no fhira maybe 100k because of nowadays 100k is when it comes to even rap. A i tsha ḓo vha that nga maanḓa ine ri nga ri if artist yo reacha 100k kha streams kha song, like we really wanna celebrate it u wana. So ndi zwithu zwine zwa vha normal kha dzi artist nnzhi nga hafha Venḓa, mara khouḽani obviously because of it's the first time a khou ḓo vha a khou nyanga u zwi ita, so nahone beri vha ḓo kona u zwi ita because of havha vhathu vhavhili ndi dzi friends, will they be able to have a difference between a friendship and a business side nga hengei hune ra ḓo vha ri khou vhona uri zwi ḓo tshimbila sharp na kha music. Mara zwone ndi khou ḓi zwi vhona vha khou ḓi ya zwi studio ha AD hangei vha khou swika vha khou ya, but u ya ha AD hangei I feel like the boy really want u tea uri a tshentshe sound yawe. Like I feel like Yellow u tea uri a tshentshe sound yawe because of sound yawe, yes we know uri u khou ḓo ya hangei a ita zwine a khou ita nga ṅwana a tshi fhedza u ita u ḓo vha wo hit, yes we know hezwo ri a zwi ḓivha, mara I feel like really u khou tea uri a tshentshe sound ṅwana. I nga si ḓovha i sound yeneiḽa ine ra i ḓivha ṅwana. Even na friendship yawe na Andre I don't feel like it will ever be the same. I nga si dovhe ya vha the same because of zwithu zwe vhoṱhe zwi hula zwi amba na zwi hula zwi amba, so I feel like even na performance ye a ita the day before Yellow Festival when he was telling Andre uri ni mmbudza uri ndi mukavhara u musedza ende he was telling the Andre, I feel like zwo mu vhaisa mara today because of later on vho ya vha vha na studio time, so but I guess u ḓo vha a tshi khou ṱo ya maybe ṱhaṅwe a tshi ḓo vha artist straight, not uri u khou ya maybe something else. Maybe if ndi khou vhona uri I can really put a verse here ndi nga i putha ngo ṅwana, u ḓo ṱo ya recorder then after that they give him the project then they are gone ṅwana. Mara ene hopefully I think Yellow maybe i album ine maybe a khou shuma khayo maybe i ḓo vha good because of I've seen ndo no vhona Lordkid ndo mu vhona studio. Who else have I seen? Metro CMG ndo mu vhona. I feel like I've also seen Romeo, but I don't vha na track vha vhavhili. I don't think they have a track together. No, they don't have a track. If vha na track together that means i ḓo vha maybe kha something zwa Adroit hangei, mara kha ene muṋe thi thu vhuya nda vhona collaboration yavho vhavhili. But I guess ndi dziṅwe dzi collaboration dzine dzi khou ṱoḓea ḓo uri thiri sometimes musically we have to pick sides. If vha khou lwa vhoṱhe then hu tea u vha na muthu ane a ḓo vha khou pick side kha avho vhathu vhavhili khou ṅwana. So I don't know uri hu ḓo itea mini kha tsha struggle tshine Yellow a vha khatsho because of this year the first song ine a khou ḓo i release i tea uri ite mini, i tea uri i vhe song ine ra ḓo vha khou ita like riṋe as fans dzawe, as people who ri khou sedza music wawe ri tea uri ri pfhe different and it tea hit because of we've been dropping song like tana teasers mara I don't think vhuya dza vha sharp ṅwana. Thi thu vhuya nda pfha track yavho i release like last year ya vha i sharp na luthihi, so we don't know uri hu ḓo itea mini, mara I guess ṱhaṅwe hu ḓo vha na zwiṅwe zwithu ṅwana, maybe vha ḓo ita zwiṅwe zwithu zwa vha sharp ṅwana. So I guess story Venḓa na zwi dina uri zwo ḓala ṅwana, zwo ḓalesa. So I guess I was watching even that thing of Lego. Just that I didn't watch the whole context of it uri before a tshi ḓo amba uri yo u tsi ya nga ha heyi thimu ho itea mini. Just that and ndi vhona ungari zwi vha zwi khou mu vhaisa because of every time u dzula a khou ita dzi advert but literally you can't, a nga si kone u vha na license because of a na basa khou ṅwana. But a nga balelwa u vha na license ngori a na basa, a u ṱoḓi ID number, why is ID copy ya certificate kana i na certificate yana, I don't know. But The word is this one like you literally can't say who's wrong, who's not wrong, because of we don't even know the side of the story of his father. Zwithu zwi khou tshimbila so why zwi tshi khou tshimbila so ngongwana, but this zwiṅwe zwi ṱo uri even na ene muṋe u ya lila ndi zwithu zwine zwi ḓo sumbedza uri ene muṋe zwi a muphina, but I guess u tea u vha maybe na someone from his family ane maybe will try to sit them down, maybe a vha ita mini a vha ita uri vha kone u amba, maybe to be in the same page, because of it's not good uri mufhethu a so wana it's not like ha ngo tou ri a zwi ambe kho wana, but I feel like sometimes also maybe going to another platform, even though it was the truth and maybe in the net uri a zwi ntshele nnḓa hezwiḽa zwithu ngo wana, but sometimes uri none ri nga se thaidzo ndi uri we don't know uri this other side of the story i khou ri mini. Ndi yone problem yeyo ngori ri khou ḓivha side nthihi yawe ine a khou ya amba uri mini a vha nyagi u yo mu dzhiisa, then riṋe ri ḓivhi uri why vhone vhane vha sa nyagi u yo mu dzhiisa kana vha dzula mafini vha tshi ḓo vha vha kule naye, so we don't know that about that uri hu itea mini hafho u wana. So ndi zwiṅwe zwa zwithu zwine a zwi nyagi uri u sokou zwi dzhadzha because of you are not in that situation, and if ni siho kha situation heyo that means na dzi feelings dzine na vha khadzo emotionally ndi nga si kone u nga houḽa muthu ane u khou zwi pfha nga tshetsho tshifhinga. So i ṱori na zwi sole zwi ḓo namba zwo vha zwithu zwo fhelaho, zwi nga si dovha ṱhaṅwe na wana even na kha iṅwe interview a tshi yo ita na wana a tshi khou dovha a khou amba nga ḓo wana ṱhaṅwe a tshi vho thoma u fhumula, maybe a vha vhudza uri yo musi ndi tshi thoma interview ya so 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 ndo ri hu ite mini ri songo tsha vhudziwa nga thaima na mini kho ṅwana, so ndo vha ndi sa ḓivhi zwa uri hu ḓo itea mini next, mara as for the boy we just hope uri a dzule fhasi na thaima yawe then vha ambe maybe ṱhaṅwe vha pfhesesane kho ṅwana, zwi ḓo vha good blind. So zwi ita uri zwi vhone uri vha ḓo itisana hani vhone vhaṋe kho ṅwana, but but none zwavhuḓi ndi tea uri we have to try our luck, ri sa vhu ita mini ri sa vhu mu DM maybe u ḓo tenda for interview because of I will try ndi nga vha ndo no sendela vhathu vhoṱhe vha Venḓa vha vhona dzi invite a thi thu vhuya nda wana na muthihi maṅwe like only vhathu vhane ndi nga ri ndo no vha interview hone ndi Young Boyka, Coral Beats and Black Moon, but the interview ya Black Moon ne even though yes ndi nga tenda uri was still struggling, but that one like it was like it was like I couldn't like nda nga si kone u zwi ntshela nnḓa hezwiḽani, I couldn't put them out and like even though my platform is still down, but that one like at the time ye nda ya khayo I feel like he was really struggling about some other shit ngona, like some other shit which I couldn't ndi nga si kone u tou zwi amba ngona, but I know uri o vha a khou struggla nga mini. Also he was kind of like abusing alcohol, you know, so it was just fucked up shit. So and havha na zwiṅwe zwithu while we were busy recording and that shit happens, and I don't believe in that shit of uri maybe if we're recording maybe something happened right now then I have to cut those shit, you know. I believe in doing it straight, like raw. So and so this is right. Like literally, it was so zwiṅwe zwithu zwine like na nṋe muṋe ndo zwi vhona uri nda nga zwi bvisela nnḓa as an artist, as one muṋe as an artist Black Moon like zwi ḓo mu fara hani kho ṅwana. So even na vhaṅwe vhathu nga nnḓa even dzi fani dzawe dzi tshi ḓo mangala a khou ita hezwiḽa zwithu like vha ḓo kho ṅwana because of it's not like Black Moon ndi muthu ane ndo mu ḓivha zwino, like ndi muthu ane ndo mu ḓivha haningei murahu like when Black Moon was still Black Moon, like nga tshifhinga tsha vhuhayahaya. So in fact what happened to the boy mom, like the boy really really had like kho ṅwana ndi ngo zwi vhona zwine Ngozibaba zwone like ndi zwe Black Moon was supposed to be, but something happened to the boy. I feel like the boy I feel like it's the fame. I feel like the boy's fame didn't by this applying because of the boy got the voice and the boy knows the timing uri anamele beat one. So and he knows how to create a hit one. So I don't know why music wawe nowadays one usichakuna to reach vhathu vanzhi. Like under that circle you soko vha hanefho like u khou fhelela like that side, even though if a khou release music wawe I feel like u khou fhelela nga haningei that side. This side a thi thu vhona, a thi thu like literally ndi kale na zwa uri nyimbo yawe ya number last ndi ifhio ndi asi zwi ambe, mara nyimbo ine ndo dzi ḓivha ndi dzedziḽa dza kale. Yes, nyimbo dza kale even no dzi imba nga ṱhoho ndi nga to i imba zwino like u wana. So ndi ḓo vha ndi sa ḓivhi zwa uri what happened to him, but I guess that hu na zwiṅwe zwithu maybe ṱhaṅwe zwiṅwe zwo itea khae, maybe hu zwone zwo mu ita uri avhe mini avhe sele a khou vha so, zwine zwi khou ita uri avhe ni like career ya muthu i tshi vho fhela mini zwi a vhavha like you just know uri ndo vha ndi best now zwa tsha vha sharp. So zwi vha zwo no ḓo vha nga iṅwe nḓila, mara ene muṋe maybe hu na nḓila ine a khou ḓivha zwa uri u ḓo i shuma, maybe ya ḓo dovha ya mu vhuisa gaming, but I guess nah. But tshine tsha ḓo ntakadza ndi tsha uri he's still getting some bookings there and there ngwana, wa wana dzi bookings fhaḽa na fhaḽa ngwana, mara a zwi tsha tou nga kale ḽi boy ḽa tshi book even western uri a ḓe nga nkene zwi a konḓa mna. I feel like hu nga vha na gig dza 10 maybe you'll find him kha only one ṅwana. And tshine tsha khou itisa ndi vhona ungari dzi promoter, most of the promoters dza tshi mu buka because of western nga tshifhinga tsha musi nga tshifhinga tsha musi he was booming ho vha hu na promoters. I feel like there was JJ, there was Chicho, there was Duke, there was Mavhungu, there was who else? Yes, then havha na dzi artist nadzo dzine thiza dzi tshi ḓivha, and then dukaduka ḽa vhatuvhu ngoṅwana. Those were the promoters around western and vho vha vha tshi ḓivhani ngoṅwana, and vha vha na dzi connection na kha mina kha dzi tavern dza haningei, and most of dzi tavern dzine a vha tshi performa khadzo last dzine dzo vha dzo duma I guess zowe dzoṱhe. There's no tavern ine i kha ḓi vha sharp because of zwikhala zwo dzhena zwa destroy vhathu vha thoma u shavha ya dzi tavern ngoṅwana, because of even haningei kiḽakasi yanga ne like it's terrifying. Hu na tavern ine ya pfhi Ḽivhoneni, literally heiḽa tavern like yes ndo ya nga dzi 16 ine but I didn't go like ya nda swika nda dzula tshikhala no, ndo to ya nda vha ndi na issues yanga less ne, ndi khou ṅwana ndi tshi vha ndi na less then zwa vha sharp ṅwana ra fhedza ra vaya zwo ri ri ḓo vha ro dzula no. Muna that place I'm talking about a place ine literally last year nga December hu na muthu o lovhaho, yeah u kwadziwa o lovhaho, rest in peace to the boy ne ndi a muḓivha mpfhi Tholan. So ndi zwiṅwe zwa zwithu zwine ra khou struggle tsha ngei that side tsha dzi tavern dzine ndi dza kale dzine dzo vha dzo duma kho ṅwana vho ma 2020 dza dzi khou tea plan. A zwino tshena muthu na muthu ane anga nyaga u ya phala fhethu like if you can check ne ayo ḽithu crossroad noni yo vala itwa mall 5 shop ne you can check. It's not like ndi khou amba bad about those taverns, but in these taverns dzine ni ḓo bva ni khou zwi pfha if na nga ya ne most of the time ni nga ḓi wana ni khou gwadziwa hu khou itea something bad. 5 shop Ḽivhoneni. Yes, Harandima, yes, I guess, yes. Just that I thought the best sideline because of last year. Ndo bva ndo phatha Harandima, a thi ngo bva ndo phatha. So Harandima, you go that side, ri khou cross ri khou ya side heiḽani iṅwe ya vhu Tama nga ngei ha Zozo, ha Pele. Yes, I guess 21 hu kha ḓi vha sharp but not like the same. Vho Ha Manavhela, vho Nthuni. This mini heiḽa tavern ende haṅwe heiḽa tavern ṅwana na vho Spang haningei I guess zwi kha ḓi vha sharp ṅwana, mara a zwi tsha tou vha the way zwezwo zwi nga last because of hu na dzi pub ngana western ho no vha na pub hu na Highway now like i dzhia vhathu vhoṱhe ende vhathu vha ḓo zwi ḓivha zwa uri if we are there we are safe because of this tight security. And then hu na Yellow Village, even though Yellow Village nayo i khou vha na zwikeleme zwa uri because of on the 31st vha vho buka tshivheshete hangei, and then it didn't come, I don't know why, but o vha na dziṅwe dzi event o vha na event somewhere I think ndi Khabala or some other shit, mara o ya ngei a perform mara dango I don't know uri ṱhaṅwe side vha vha songo mbadela or what, we don't know about that, but pangoya. So one is this purple mbili. These ones as purpose in this go yes when it comes to Western. So I guess in the zone is tango zikumitora. So chabuki wa dima. I guess. On the tango zone zikumitora so chabuki ngore. Literally in the car demand like out of the scene. But I get I feel like I guess the evolution of sound because of with type of vibe ya nyana sound nyana. I feel like yeah, it's the evolution of sound because of Gomu like now I rangara even though it's a dance music, but can with house. They also love music wawe. Maybe it's house. I don't know. It's house? Ah yeah. But I guess it's house. I feel like it's house even Gomu some that's because of the way the speed of the beats like it's not the same speed I mean yeah house to go on. So I guess even the evolution and even though Renshingare can he rap or can he is he easy? But I guess I feel like we're gonna rap yes he can rap. Yes that nowadays unabatu ngona unabo Roadkid unabo Asati unabo JR player una Guzba like unabo Hombo unabo Giving the Chief like advantage ngona bane like I feel like they're doing it better and more than him going on. So I don't know real this that. Mara I guess career wambari yangaba yo trofela so if you feel so wa don't worry about the ndako shikore ndiko rekodana. So if we meet us I guess umubaisa obaisa I guess obaisa just that state of pen rap right now if you're not doing a piano and unless you're doing love songs if you're not doing van rap with a piano beat that means only us people who understand van rap will listen to the music but won't listen to them unless if you are singing for the ladies you are you know or like wasati it's not because of bafithu tango maybe bakudiangore you mean no it's because of the songs never kuziita in these songs like specifically because for girls and we all know those who are female all the time they are going to support because of namajita are support anima majita literally we don't support each other that's it una female kana mini when it comes to supporting each other out here supportana when it comes to streaming music what na bazandi vanhu vakuroliva phanda one that's when ngacheka but vone bava kuimbela vula vathu va more successfully one sorry there's ari international scale uri vone zuri ndini muthu mumwe you can check but none ari to checka zitrack zine their biggest songs of South Africa zine utozivona uri track ndikurani mara ni the one every time ukwembura muthu or is talking about love gone that it's no zwifhinga ri nga vha sa zwipfi uri u khamba maybe vha kwama nyambo zavo mara tsana ndi chori havho vhathu all the time if you are rapping for a female or singing for a female chances for your song to be a hit or to go viral ndi chihulwane rather than if you are like literally rapping about some shit that you are going through right now like at a certain period of time kana zwino zwiita sometimes zwiitea kha inwi but is that utolemela music the music industry is hard the entertainment industry is hard because there's always something new every fucking day there's always something new and there's always a new person in the scene one always because of if you nangacheka na zvino on the international scale one we're not expecting uri chive chetu will utoda muntu even though angazipireli boy ne but we're not expecting that we will have another person ane atova I mean afene like him look at Tribe right now like literally the boy zveshe vava kuzviita literally mumwe muthu naye ozvikona ngokwana so I don't know, bro. Like, and I guess just that who thought I made a music industry, and they would like if you are not careful, you are not doing right things at the right time, there won't be anything that you get from the entertainment industry. And the entertainment industry also is very cruel. You know, it's very, very cruel. So you just have to be there and hope one day you'll just have to make it, you know. So, very good. And I mean, what happened this week? Yo, so, I don't know. But I don't think they are getting married. Big Zulu and Anzan. Just that because of I saw some blogs, some people saying that they are getting married. I don't think they are getting married. I just feel like they are doing a music video for a song, and because of us, our mind are always dirty. That's why we're thinking they're getting married. I don't feel like they're getting married. Are they getting married? I don't get it. Because even him, he said he's dropping something. I think he said on the 28th or 25 or 24. No, 24th. He said he's something is coming on the 24th. So I don't feel like it's a marriage or a wedding or something. Nah. I feel like they're just doing like music, like collaborating. As people who are just jumping into conclusion like, oh, they are getting married. I don't feel like they're getting married. Nah. And one of the artists there, the combination, just got an accident. Who, what is his name? Kola. So he's, I feel like he's a producer there. Yeah, but he's also a singer. So got an accident with his new car. I think it was on November when he bought that car. He bought a BMW M4. Yeah, M4. Yeah, a white one. BMW. So he was involved in a car accident, but he didn't get a serious injuries. It was just some minor injuries there and there. So just have to say speedy recovery to you boys. So I don't know, but I feel like even him Kola should just give us some songs because of it's been long since he dropped. I feel like the last time he dropped it was August, if I'm not mistaken. Because I really do follow the guy. I feel like it was August or September. One. But I feel like those artists in the incarnation, regardless of who, of Lwanjenkulu and who's that other guy? Who's that other guy? Finyela Utinyana. Not Sian Tuli, man. There is, there's this guy. We rap the song. Langalinye go Mduduzi or something like Mduduzi. Yeah, Mduduzi. Yeah. I feel like it's Lwanjenkulu, Mduduzi, who are carrying the record label. Those others are even fear the hit. Siantuli, all it does is backups. Only. It does backups and it's in the hit. Ola, yes. He has a voice. Yes, he has a voice. Because of he was on that track called Volo Volo. Yeah, Big Zulu was in like a time mountain, like yeah. What is the name of that song? Volo Volo. Uva wakho nevolo volo. Something like that, man. I don't think I haven't seen him having a hit entry. So I don't know who got that. Maybe he's a producer, maybe he can produce. So we just have to say Rudo quit a mini no one. So what else? So it's yeah. So the matrix results are out. They are out. I guess we just have to stay. Shout out to studying who have passed. I guess who have failed. You go and do a retry like us, Kongan. If you have failed, you go back to school and do a retry. And if you have failed a matric, you just have to go back to school and try again. I did the same. You know what I'm saying? Look at me now. Like I'm accepted at the college. You know, life is good. People laugh at me for a week. That's it. You know what I'm saying? That's it. I have my matric certificate. So it's up to you, bro. Like you decide to go back or you decide to quit. But no, if you quit, it's over for you, bro. If you don't have a matric, it's like Matrix is not it's no longer have that weight, but if you don't have it, you know, there's no else who's not the one with the valid as Mahmoud. So I guess you just have to go and do your best. And then I feel like that is over the biggest results since we were Robert apartheid, since the series of apartheid. But so you're 87.3. So 87.3, I feel like it was the best, yeah. So I guess Limpopo, even Limpopo did perform well. We're in position number 6. I guess even that needed check. Yes, we're number 6. So they really performed well. And I think like last year we did how much? I think 70. Yeah, we were on 70 or something. So this year I feel like we really performed well. I'm worried about Lichobu. How did Lichobu perform? Because I'm saying at that school, but I'm not seeing Lichobu. Lichobu, vana va jela Lichobu last year. Kutavona ziri last hour there. Oh, and there is this school called Jonathan. And it's not Jonathan, it's called Tifilimbiru. Yeah, Tifilimbiru. Tifilimbiru Jonathan Secondary School, like chimwe chiyani kwakareni, but chinara deal. Nendiza madombe, chinara deal. Nacho is 100%. So nacho, yeah. I feel like there's no if you want 100%. One. So ndizvo zvinoronya ngazvo apply neapply NSFAS zvote if pasingonijiya sokuferwa shango nditovhura pasi una dzitrimester una dzisemester dzine dzinovhura even nazva next year zvitotovhura zvimwe then you will have to uri nibudisa hani then na shuma najiva ngomwana nazvikoro that's it that's it then zvabva zvoferera and the biggest story ndezvakwama Mkhize for not paying the taxes dzavo. I don't know why she's not paying tax. I guess the Hawks they will deal with him and the SARS they will deal with her. They're needing 20 million. Yeah. And then she didn't play place in December, but I feel like right now she has already settled the place. Just that those people were too high. They came to the scene to flash. Why did they came to the scene to flash? That's why people who have money don't talk about it, don't try to leverage it. Look now, but I guess she will bounce back. She will bounce back. Just that right now she will truly know who are her really friends, or are just people who fucking like want to have money with her, go shopping, go do this. I guess that's it. Zwithu zvine mini ndi vhathu vanefha zvine friends dzavo dzazodalesa, but because of this or that you will find only now she has only 2 friends. All those others, when she calls, they will deny the year and call. That's how people are, bro. That's how are. So another thing I wanted us to talk about, what else did I write down here? I've already talked about the big Zulu shit. I guess Misophil. The boy, I feel like the boy since I feel like Mizo is what he wanted since Oma 2015 and it's really living the dream. One. Which I feel like it's really living it. So I guess auto sarararinga gulu please and aranga gulu jambe zvitakwe zvofera. I guess auto sarararinga gulu. But Zinji the boy or Vreda's in there. News are Venda is because of him. So I guess we just have to say shout out to the boy one. He really did the most one. He really did the most. So yeah. Therefore, come to check out Chivenga. 50. 5 minutes. Oh, yeah. Hey.